We have major breaking news from Orlando, Florida, as Cash Wheeler, one half of the current AEW World Tag Team Champions FTR, was just arrested and charged with 1 count of aggravated assault with a firearm. The arrest comes just 9 days before he and tag team partner Dax Harwood are scheduled to defend their titles against the Young Bucks at Wembley Stadium for All In. No further details were provided at the time of recording, though company officials have issued a statement that they were made aware of the charge and are closely monitoring the situation. And while he faces up to 5 years in prison and a possible $5,000 fine for this third-degree felony, Wheeler is fully cooperative with Orlando police after pleading not guilty.